Welcome to the OPENCOSS tool presentation. OPENCOSS stands for Open Platform for Evolutionary Certification of Safety Critical Systems. It focuses on safety-critical embedded systems. OPENCOSS is one of the projects from the 7th Framework Programme, which is supported by the European Commission. European certification and regulation agencies, large industrial companies, technology suppliers and research institutions all contributed to the OPENCOSS project. This tool relies on a common certification language called CCL and aims to reduce certification time and cost. 4 video tutorials present an overview of the tool. For this prototype, we focused on transportation with its 3 domains: avionics, the railways, and automotive. There are 5 typical steps towards certification. A. Artifacts and argumentation reports are built. B. Accessibility and traceability is ensured. C. The readiness is assessed by the safety manager. D. The final assessment is performed with the aid of an independent assessor. And E. The final report is released. The OPENCOSS platform centralizes the project data and enables collaborative interaction. Here is an overview of the platform based on a shared database and on the Eclipse clients. The most probable scenario is described here. The first step is to translate the standards into reference frameworks using the CCL. For a new certification project, the reference frameworks are imported into the baseline. Then, we build the argumentation diagram to link requirements and activities with the artifacts. Claims are made of requirements and activities. Evidence and process information are then collected to fulfill the argumentation. The OPENCOSS platform web server allows compliance progress status. Compliance and non-compliance are made visible at a glance as the tool provides a clear, colored report. Our safety assurance project is to manage the compliance of an automotive device to the ISO 26262 standard. In our example, we want to certify a parking system for electric vehicles. The system would prevent any unwanted movement of the vehicle during parking. This type of system involves electric, logical and mechanical aspects and is developed as an innovative concept available for different models of a vehicle family. Let's move to the OPENCOSS platform. Let's take an existing project called Aut Use Case. 4 folders are created automatically. The Assurance Project folder links the baseline to the standard and enables the demonstration of the compliance to this baseline. The Evidence Management folder, where artifacts are used as evidence for certification, includes their traceability and impact analysis. The Safety Argumentation Management folder is where the argumentation is developed. The Process Assurance Management folder is where information regarding the process is stored. With our baseline data stored, the certification can proceed by selecting the required elements. They are then used as the project references. The baseline refers to the ISO 26262 standard. Coming back to the Evidence folder, we can see the artifacts already available. For instance, we have the verification of hazard analysis and risk assessment and safety goals. Each item of the baseline may be mapped to a corresponding project item, for example, a baseline artifact mapped to a project artifact model. From the Properties view, we can access the compliance mapping. The artifacts are linked to the baseline, and the compliance assessment is done. Not mapped, partial, or fully. From the server view, we have a clear tracking of the progress of compliance projects. By clicking on the chosen report, the Safety Manager can see that we are missing some element to fulfill all compliance requirements. From this view, we may add directly a specific artifact and update compliance information. This completes our overview of the OPENCOSS platform to manage the compliance to the Automotive ISO 26262 standard. Here's a short summary of the 5 main features we went through. The CCL translation, assurance project and baseline, argumentation that relies on evidence, uploaded evidence and process. Compliance to the standard is verified. Five videos are available to demonstrate the OPENCOSS platform. Automotive and ISO 26262, Avionics and DO 178C, Railways and EN 50216, Cross-Domain Reuse. These 4 videos present how the OPENCOSS platform is used. A 5th video demonstrates the possible use of an external tool. This concludes this tutorial. Other tutorials and project details are available at www.opencoss-project.eu. Transportation is the first targeted industry we worked on, with its 3 domains: automotive, avionics, and railways. The tool is the first European-wide open safety certification platform, which aims to reduce certification time and cost.